Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. This question is from binomial distribution. Write down the probability mass function of a binomial distribution which has mean 6 and standard deviation root 2. Now solution. Let x be a random variable which follows binomial distribution. With parameters n and p. Let x be a random variable which follows binomial distribution with parameter n and p. Symbolically, this can be written as x follows binomial distribution with parameter n and p. The probability mass function PMF, the short form of probability mass function is PMF. PMF means probability mass function of a binomial distribution is f of x equals to ncx p to the power x q to the power n minus x, where x is running from 0, 1, 2, up to n, 0 elsewhere. This is the probability mass function. Now what is n? N is number of trial. Number of trials. P is probability of success. Since it is a probability, it lies between 0 and 1. And Q is probability of failure. P plus Q equals to 1 and Q also lies between 0 and 1. Q is the probability of failure, P is the probability of success. Since both are probabilities, therefore both P and Q lies between 0 and 1 and P plus Q equals to 1. Now mean of the distribution. Mean of a binomial distribution which mean of a binomial distribution is NP. Mean equals to E of x equals to NP. This is given as 6 and variance is the square of standard deviation. SD is the standard deviation. SD is the short form of standard deviation. Variance is root 2 whole squared equals to 2. Now variance is NPQ. Mean of a binomial distribution is NP and variance of a binomial distribution is NPQ. Therefore, Q equals to NPQ by NP. This is equals to 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. Hence, P equals to 1 minus 1 by 3. This is 2 by 3. And NP equals to 6. Now, P is 2 by 3. Therefore, 2 by 3 equals to 6. Therefore, n equals to 6 into 3 by 2, that is n equals to 9. Hence, we get all the values of n, p and q. Therefore, we can write the probability mass function of binomial distribution. I am writing it here. Probability mass function of binomial distribution The PMF of binomial distribution is f of x equals to n. In place of n I am writing 9cx. In place of p I am writing 2 by 3 whole to the power x. In place of q I am writing 1 by 3 whole to the power 9 minus x, where x is running from 0, 1 to dot 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 n and 0 elsewhere. I hope everybody understood the solution of this question. That's it for this video. Thank you.